My friends, I've spent a lot of time inside of companies that do 3C work. Now, I'm not going to name the big names that are out there, but we know who's making all the smartphones and the tablets and the watches. We know the names, right? Well, today, I'm at CTC, and I'm looking at a cutter right here that actually has 3 different diameters and 3 different geometries. So in that world of 3C, they're actually making one plummet into the material, and then when they make that cut, they're making 3, in theory, 3 cuts at one time, 3 diameters at one time. What does that do for you? Well, obviously, it allows you to reduce your overall tools, so it's not 3 tools in one, which also reduces your overall cycle time because you're not making 3 different cuts, which ultimately is going to allow you to do more in least amount of time, which is going to allow you to be more profitable as well. Yes, this is some 3C success here at CTC.